Hey guys, we're back with another review. Today we're looking at Dewalt's Tough system as well as their racking and storage system. This is Dewalt's answer to both mobile and shop storage. Comes with a variety of different buckets and bins and storage solutions, completely customizable to whatever you want to use it for. It's adjustable, fits van, a trailer, in your home shop. So we're just going to take you through and we'll show you what we think. For the setup on my Tough system, I went with a couple different options based on the kind of work that we do. I purchased two of the DS280 totes, which are the stackable bins. They're just open on the top. They're about 21 inches by 12 inches by 10 inches. Plenty of room to put loose hand tools, or you can do what we did and that's set them up by job. We have one for tile, one for drywall, one for miscellaneous hand tools. Also have the DS150 on the right hand side. It's just a small, kind of a flat toolbox. A lot of the guys use it to store drills, sawzalls, fit really well in it with all the accessories and bits and blades. And the Tough System unit that I actually bought came with the Tough System organizer, which is just the small parts bin. Pretty handy for nuts and bolts and odds and ends. We've used one for electrical connectors. You can use it for plumbing fittings, anything that you got small parts. It's got removable bins inside, so you can kind of customize it to what you need. Again, the Tough system will fit any of the boxes that are in the system, including the radio. It's completely customizable depending on your specific needs. Everything is super durable. They're molded plastic. They all come with gaskets. They're water resistant. We have had no problem with the latches, any of the clasps. Everything is really been nice to work with. It feels durable in your hands. So far so good. Really like the system. This is just my setup, but you can feel free to customize it however you want to. The brackets themselves are really easy to adjust on the system. Makes it able to be modified completely to your liking and to set up how you want your system to operate. All the brackets come separate of each other. They work independently. However, you obviously need to use them in pairs. Install them using just a standard Allen key. If you loosen the Allen key, you can actually move the bracket up and down vertically on the pole as a height adjustment. Only issue is you just have to make sure that your boxes are level, so both the brackets on the poles need to be at the same height, obviously. But once you get that done, a little bit of measuring, and you should be good to go as far as setting your boxes up on the actual rack. As far as mounting the boxes to the actual Tough system, two main types of latches. The organizer up top actually uses a little hinge latch. Latches on the side of the bracket, while the Tough system tote and some of the toolboxes use the handle itself to lock into place. So both of them are really easy to get off. Yeah, you just remove them. So by just using the natural motion of picking the box up using the carrying handles or the latches, it disengages from the Tough system, allows you to remove the box from the rack. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Again, this was a review of the Dewalt Tough system with the storage rack. Really like the system. We're going to keep using it. Probably going to buy some more boxes for it so we can expand. Would highly recommend it to anybody who's doing any kind of construction or remodeling work. That's all we got. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day.